Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD, and as you can see, I am in the 4 hours time frame, the beloved 4 hours time frame of the Forex world, and my personal favorite too. So let's do the analysis first. So if we look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is in uptrend. Okay, market is an uptrend, and as we all know, we should always follow the trend. The trend is our friend. Okay, so considering this trend, what should be our strategy then? So if we consider this trend, consider the uptrend, then our strategy should be buy. Okay, so in an uptrend market, or whenever market is going up, we should only look for buying opportunities, because see, if you go against the trend and short the market in an uptrend market, then there is a high possibility that you will be trapped, your trade will get trapped, and you will end up making loss. So whenever market is in uptrend like this, you should always follow the trend and look for buying opportunities only. Whereas on the other hand, if market is in downtrend, then you should only look for shorting opportunities. Okay, so as of now we can, so let's jump back to our GBP USD chart. So this chart is an uptrend, so we will only look for buying opportunities. Okay, but if we look at this particular area, okay, or if I tell you to look at this area, then you can easily see that market is consolidating. Market is in a tight range, just like Euro USD. Euro USD is also in uptrend. Okay, GBP USD is also in uptrend, but right now it is caught in a particular range, and you can see this portion. Okay, you can clearly see that market is caught in a particular range. Whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing resistance, it is coming down. So, and if you have watched my previous video, then you know these two lines very well. Okay, these two lines are this is this resistance line, and this is this support line. And this resistance line is important because this resistance is from the weekly chart. Let me remove the drawings. Okay, see, this is the weekly chart, and in the weekly chart we can easily see that, okay, market is an uptrend, market is very bullish. But in the third week of Feb, okay, this candle belongs to the third week of Feb. So in the third week of Feb, market tried to go up, but there was some selling pressure. Market failed to go up, price came down, and market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. And this price level is acting as a resistance to the market. So we can see that right now market is going up, but for the 4 consecutive weeks market is unable to cross the level. Market is struggling to cross the level. Whenever market is trying to cross the level, it is facing selling pressure from above, and market is coming down. Okay, so this level is important, and this level is very much crucial also. Apart from this level, we do not have any other important level on the weekly chart. So let's jump to the 4 hours time frame and discuss what should be a strategy. So right now you have understood this line. Okay, so this is our resistance. Let me mark this price level. Okay, so this is our resistance level. So what should be our first strategy then? Our first strategy is simple. I have already discussed in my previous videos. Okay, as the market is in uptrend, the best trading opportunity in this kind of chart is always at the breakout. Okay, if market crosses this level 1.4245 level, if market crosses this level, then we will get a good opportunity. So if market crosses this level, then we need to observe the market for 4 to 6 hours and just try to observe the price. We need to understand the chart, we need to understand the market psychology. If we see that price is trading comfortably above the level, there is no price struggle, then we will get the confirmation that yes, market has made this resistance as the support. Okay, and this level will become the next support, and we can go for a buy order above this line. This is our first trading opportunity, and as I always say, we should always look for area of value. And in an uptrend market, the area of value means the best trading opportunity is always near the support, whereas the area of value in a downtrend market, or the area of, or the best trading opportunity in a downtrend market, is always near the resistance. GBP USD is in uptrend, there is no doubt about it. Therefore, the area of value will always be near the support. So if market goes up, then this level will become the support and we can go for buy order. Okay, so this is our first trading opportunity. The second trading opportunity is this level. Wait, let me adjust the price. Okay, okay. So if you have watched my previous video, then I have already discussed this range. Okay, so I have already mentioned that market is in a range right now. Okay, so in a range bound market, we get opportunities at resistance also, at support also. So whenever market is coming down, okay, and testing this support, we can see that market is bouncing. Okay. So therefore, this is a valid support. So our second trading opportunity is this support level. Okay, this support level is our second trading opportunity, and you can see that market did not come down exactly to the support level, but market is trying to go up. Okay, market is trying to go up from this level, because see, market came down. Okay, market came down, the price rejected from below, and right now market has formed a green candle with good price rejection. And if we look at the previous candle, we can see that in the previous candle also there was some price rejection. So there is support available at this price level. So if you have already gone for buy order, then you have done the good job, enjoy the profit. And if you are looking for fresh opportunity, then I'll say that right now market has gone up to this level, and this is not the ideal position. Okay, let the market come down a little bit, because if you go for buy order right now at this particular level, then your stop loss will be here. Don't you think this gap is too much? Yes, this gap is too much. So if market goes up from here, then this opportunity is missed. If you have already purchased, then well and good, enjoy the profit. If you have not, then this opportunity is gone. Okay, wait for one or two candles and keep your eyes on GBP USD. If market comes down and gives you a second opportunity, then you can go for buy order. But remember, confirmation is always important. Okay, if you see that the next candle is a big red one, then you should not go ahead and buy. This will be a foolish decision. Okay, you should only buy when market will bounce. Market may not come down directly to this price level, 4095 level. Okay, market may bounce from 1.5000 level also. Oh, sorry. What I'm saying, market may bounce for 1.4100 level also. Okay, but remember, confirmation is important. Okay, this is not the ideal position. Market has gone up too much. Your risk to reward ratio will not match. The stop loss is below this level, so opportunity is gone right now. Okay, if you have purchased, then well and good. Otherwise, wait for the market to give you the second opportunity. Okay, that's it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.